All clear, dispatch in 3, 2, 1. You can scream, you can shout, wait till they check it out.
So last year, this ride nearly gave me a concussion with how bad the transition on the rollover was. Apparently they retract that portion because the original piece fell in transit and got damaged, so hopefully it's smoother. A little worried because they do close this ride Wednesdays for maintenance, so it tells me it might not be perfect yet, but hoping this is better than last year. I mean, it can't be worse. Well, I'll know in like 10 seconds if I'm going to regret all my life choices. Please be smooth, please be smooth. Oh God! No, it's no better. No! Yeah, that's not much better. It's about the exact same. If you're going to ride this, just ride it in the back. Or just, not the front. Anywhere but the front.
Where else?
Oh. I can only imagine how bad that would be if it had the hard over the shoulder. Yeah.